Hey, what's up, YouTube? Well, this is my first video for my new page, for my new channel, whatever you want to call it. Well, I already have one computer right now that I built previously, and I'm about to build me another one. And today, for my new computer, I got my GTX 550. It's 2 gigabytes DDR5. It's supposed to be really, really fast and a great card. Everything. It's gonna be great. Some of the features, you get DirectX 11, price, performance, and all that stuff. It's got HDMI port on it as well, so I can hook it up to my TV and HDMI and all that. It's gonna be great. See, I'll go ahead and open it up and show y'all. Sorry if my video quality's crappy right now. I'm just using my phone. Need to upgrade. Right. That's beautiful and everything. It's a pretty big card. It's thick. See, it's got the HDMI port on it. 2 DVI ports. Dual monitors. Be nice if I had another one. It's gonna be a great card, I hope. I never tried ATI out or anything like that, any of the Radeon cards. I don't know if they're really that great or anything, but it's fine. I'm gonna try that out. Hopefully, it does me better. And the Antec 900, it's gonna be a great case. It's got a lot of cable management and stuff like that with it. Yeah. It's got a big old fan on top right here. Let me go ahead and pull it out for a second. Hold on. And there she is. It's a great case. I could add a 120mm fan right. I can add a 120mm fan right here. I'm sure this is a 200mm fan. I'm not sure, but it's a big fan. It's going to keep my case cool. And it's got another 120mm fan on the back. It's LED blue. It's also 2 spots for water cooling, but I'm not really going to do none of that. Well, power supply is going there. It's the front of the case. It's got 2 big 120mm fans on the front of it. LED blue. Got your FireWire port up here and 2 USB ports. Your power button, power reset, microphone, and all that. It also has a swinging door in it. On it, the door swings if you set it up that way. It's a pretty neat case. It's gonna keep it cool. Built one for my brother just a few days ago like this. It stays at about 25 degrees Celsius and all that. He's got a 6-core processor, AMD. It's a pretty fast computer. So, I mean, if you want me to build you a computer as well, I can do that as well. Yep. But this is Drop the Bomb.